Bigger isn't always better, but in the case of the Round Hill Estate located in the heart of Napa Valley, there is plenty of room for all the luxury to coexist. One of the most idyllic, picturesque areas in wine country, St. Helena, is the heart of Napa Valley, home to some of the region's finest wineries, restaurants, and some of its most captivating estates. On a private hill perfectly situated above the lush vineyards of Napa Valley, Round Hill Estate is the ultimate example of luxurious wine country living. This 21-acre compound consists of a 13,000 square foot main residence, a 2-bedroom guest house, a 1-bedroom guest cottage, a pool and pool house, and a private vineyard. It is perfectly perched to revel in a regal overlook on its rarefied setting. A long gated drive culminates in a circular motor court accented with sanctuary and distinctive paintings. Oversized windows and glass doors with artful metal detailing introduces a stylish main residence with soothing neutral hues, striking light fixtures, superior quality materials, finishes and fixtures, and a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Every element of the property has been meticulously designed, affording a seamless indoor-outdoor flow for upscale living and entertaining. The open-plan living and dining area basks in cinematic views and flows effortlessly to an expansive terrace where an infinity edge pool seems to cascade into the idyllic valley below. The streamlined kitchen is expertly equipped and boasts unique decorative details. At the top of the home's dramatic staircase, an equally theatrical view takes center stage in the primary bedroom, which features a gas fireplace, sitting room with wet bar, 2 spa-level baths, 2 room-sized walk-in closets, and a private terrace. The main residence offers 3 luxurious guest suites, while a guest house with a full kitchen and a cottage with a kitchenette offer exceptional seclusion and autonomy, making Round Hill an utterly private and secure oasis for enjoying an unparalleled Napa Valley experience. The home is complete with 5-star resort-worthy amenities, including an infinity edge swimming pool, fitness room with spa, pool house with sauna, and heated veranda with outdoor kitchen. Other highlights include a 1,700-bottle wine cellar. The property was completed in 2014 by Deichel Design and Development, a local couple specializing in interior design and architecture, and was inspired by the world-renowned Napa resort Au Berre du Soleil. Round Hill Estate is truly unique and a one-of-a-kind Napa Valley residence.